Did you know that some of the most powerful skincare ingredients are not found in expensive bottles but in your kitchen? Yes, studies show that natural ingredients like honey, oats, turmeric, and yogurt contains antioxidants and vitamins that helps brighten skin, fade dullness, and restore moisture better than many commercial products. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful homemade facials that will give you glowing, youthful, glass-like skin, all without spending money at a spa. If you have ever struggled with dullness, dryness, or uneven texture, and your skincare products aren't giving you the results you want, homemade facials might just change everything. In this video, we'll dive into natural DIY facials that work because they combine centuries-old beauty secrets with science-backed skin benefits. So grab your favorite bowl and let's glow. Let's be honest, many of us deal with dull skin caused by stress, weather, dehydration, or even harsh skincare products. And while commercial products can be helpful, they often contain alcohols, fragrances, and chemicals that irritate the skin or take forever to show results. But guess what? You don't need to break the bank to get healthy, radiant skin. You can achieve a glowing complexion with simple, effective ingredients you already have at home. Easy homemade facial for glowing skin. 1. Honey and yogurt brightening facial. Best for dry, dull, and inflamed skin. Benefits: hydrate, brightens, calms irritation, and adds glow. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, half teaspoon turmeric, optional for brightening. This facial is one of the easiest glow boosting treatments ever. Honey is a natural humectant. It pulls moisture into the skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and reveals brighter skin. Turmeric helps fade dark marks and give you that warm, natural radiance. How to apply: clean your face. Apply the mixture evenly using a brush. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Pat dry and moisturize. 2. Oatmeal and banana soothing glow facial. Best for sensitive skin, redness, and breakout. Benefits: nourishes, exfoliates gently, and smoothens texture. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of blended oats, half ripe banana, 1 teaspoon olive oil or coconut oil. Sensitive skin babes, this one is for you. Oatmeal deeply soothes and helps reduce redness. Banana is rich in potassium and vitamins that soften and hydrate the skin. The oil adds extra moisture for that glass skin finish. How to apply: mash and mix everything together. Apply generously to your face. Rinse while gently massaging for light exfoliation. 3. Turmeric and lemon deep brightening facial. Best for hyperpigmentation and uneven tone. Benefits: brightens, fades dark spots, and boosts glow. Ingredient: 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon honey. A few drops of lemon juice. Optional, patch test first. This is the queen of brightening marks. Turmeric reduces inflammation and brightens the skin, while honey hydrates and kills bacteria. Lemon juice adds vitamin C, but use it sparingly or skip it entirely if you have sensitive skin. How to apply: apply gently and avoid the eye area. Leave on for only 10 minutes. Rinse well to avoid staining. To get the best result from these homemade facials, here are my top expert tips. Tip 1. Steam your face 2 to 3 minutes before applying the mask. This opens your pores and boosts absorption. Tip 2. Always apply a light moisturizer afterward to lock in the benefits. Tip 3. Use these facials 2 to 3 times a week, not every day. Tip 4. Always do a patch test, especially for turmeric and lemon. Tip 5. And don't forget sunscreen, because glowing skin needs protection. So today we explored 3 powerful yet simple homemade facials: the honey and turmeric brightening facial, the oatmeal and banana soothing facial, the turmeric and glow facial. These natural treatments don't just make your skin glow, they nourish, rejuvenate, and restore your skin from inside out. Say goodbye to dullness and hello, healthy skin. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments which of these facials are you trying first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other videos for a glowing skin. See you in the next video. Bye.